In today's video, I'm going to teach you denoising footage in Nuke using the Denoise node. We'll start by adding the tool itself. With your node graph active, press Tab and type Denoise. Select the Denoise node from the list. This creates a dedicated node that's designed to reduce sensor grain or compression noise while doing its best to keep important edges and textures intact. Next, connect your footage. If you already have a red node or any image input in your script, simply pipe its output into the Denoise node's input. Then make sure your viewer is connected downstream so you can see changes as you work. A clean node flow might be read into Denoise and then Denoise into the rest of your comp. But for now, keep it simple so you can evaluate the results clearly. Before you start turning knobs, choose which channels you want to denoise. Most of the time, RGB is the right pick because that's where your image data lives. If your shot has an alpha channel with noisy edges, you can target alpha as well, but only if it's actually affected. Another option is luminance, which focuses on brightness variations and can help reduce noise while preserving color detail. Pick the channel set that makes the most sense for your shot. Now adjust the strength. This is the primary control that determines how aggressively noise is reduced. Start low and move up gradually. Higher values will smooth out noise faster, but push too far and you'll lose texture and end up with a plastic look. Watch fine detail like hair, fabric, or skin pores. If those start to smear, back the strength down. To refine the balance between cleanliness and detail, fine-tune parameters like patch size and search radius. Larger patch sizes analyze bigger regions which can be smoother but slower and more prone to over-blur. Search radius controls how far the algorithm looks for similar pixel neighborhoods. Expanding it can improve results on stubborn noise, but again at a performance cost. If your version includes temporal options, enable them for footage where noise flickers across frames. Temporal denoising can stabilize the image over time. Just keep an eye on motion to avoid ghosting. Preview constantly in the viewer. A helpful trick is to press D to disable and enable the denoise node quickly, letting you compare before and after. Zoom to 100% when judging noise and sample multiple frames, especially darker areas and smooth gradients. If you only want to denoise specific regions, connect a mask input. A painted or roto mask lets you apply strong denoising to problem zones while protecting detailed areas. Feather the mask edges for a seamless blend.